Hey guys, so what's up? I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm doing this kind of a different type of vlog style of content. If you guys want to see more vlogs like daily vlogs, because I'm doing basically nothing in this quarantine, and I am sure that you guys are also doing nothing. So I thought of sharing some cool DIYs that you can easily do at your home. And I think most of the stuff that you have already in your home and your stationery stash, and let's just get on with the video, guys. So the first DIY is the signboard kind of a thing. I hang it in front of my room, and basically you just need a MDF board or some kind of cardboard. You just need to paint whichever color that you want. I use some acrylic colors to paint this geometric type for print, and I just pasted this like cardstock paper with whichever sign you want to write, and I just wrote unicorn alert because I love unicorns. So that's about it for the DIY. Simple and aesthetic. So for this next DIY, you're just going to need some basic random boxes. I use this Amazon boxes that is lying around all around my home, and this phone box and this belt box kind of a thing. So it's just straightforward DIY. You just need to wrap up these boxes with your favorite wrapping paper. I use this wrapping papers from a site called Printland. I used my custom designs and I printed it, and also some Fevicol, which is essential. And you just need to wrap up all of the boxes and use it in various different purposes. For example, I use this pink kind of a box for my stationery stash, and also I needed to tell you something that I have this stash kind of a thing where I put my unused jewelries and the jewelries that are I am not going to use anymore, and I stack them because they have this trinket kind of a thing which you can attach it to any of your DIYs, such as this angel wing, which was earring I suppose, and I use it in my various DIYs, and I have used it in this box to make it like a chic vibe, and I use it for like my stationery stash. I have my staplers, my washi tapes, my everything, and the other two boxes I use it in my wardrobe, I guess, for storing some hankies or some random stuff that you can think about. So these are basically like simple boxes that you can store all around your home and are really easy to make. Alternatively, you can use this washi tapes to like cover up small boxes. It looks just exactly like the wrapping paper technique, but also if you don't have wrapping papers, it's a nice alternative. The last one that I have for you guys is this lingerie organizer. I see them all around Amazon and they are pretty expensive. So I have this old laptop box, and they are pretty much big for filling up all my daily lingerie, and you just need to like wrap it up in your favorite wrapping paper. I use this silver and gold polka dot one, so it looks kind of cohesive, and I use this foam kind of a thing for dividing everything. You can also use cardboard, and you can also use like paper. You can stack a bunch of paper and do the same thing, and you just need to divide it and store all your like lingerie. It looks chic, it looks organized, and that was the last DIY, guys. So hey guys, that was the video. I hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, then hit on that like button. Also comment down below of your favorite DIY of them all, and if you have any other recommendation, do let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are quarantining with you and are bored basically and wanted to do like this DIY stuff. Hope it can help them, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more such contents. Also, most importantly, stay safe guys, and this is a very critical moment for everyone, and I hope you guys stay safe. If you guys need any sort of help, do let me know, and I'll be there to help you in any way that I possibly can. And Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.
Can you be my la 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 la?